RBAC, the last one, RBAC is one of the model which is a very popular model for access control. Okay, so in organizations, usually objects that the user can access often do not depend on the identity of a user, but on the user job or role within the company. Okay, so they say that why not we give access based on the role, not on the subject. For example, I will not give access based on the user ID of Abdurrahman or Ahmed or Aslam, but I will give the access based on the role. For example, if I am admin, this is my role. Okay, so the access will be linked with the admin, not with the subject over there, right? So this is a new model, the role-based access model. They said that this is better. For example, if a new person joins, so we say that he is a network administrator, so he will be given the network rights over there. If another person joins, he says he is, for example, the secretary, so he will be given the roles will not be assigned, but the role is already being assigned with the permissions over there.
So it's based on his position, right?
Exactly, yeah. Okay, right. So automatically, so the people will not ask you what is your responsibilities. Already they know that this is your role, and these are the restriction for you, and these are the capabilities for you. So you can do this thing and you cannot do this thing, right? So examples are educate. Educate means like SIS system. Educate. I think in King Saud University we were using educate over there as a SIS system. So the educate or the SIS system admin groups over there. Accountant in a bank. So a bank accountant, they will have their own privileges, while the approval of the loan will be done by the managers. Okay, so accountant will just calculate it. Okay, will forward it for the approval to the manager over there, right? So manager has a more access to approve it. Normally our bank administrator assign user to the roles over there, right? So the admin administrator, they have like give the rights to the roles and grants rights to the roles over there. When a user takes over new role, for example, if your role is shifted from the accountant to the manager, so automatically your privileges will be changed, although you are the same person, right? So yesterday you had a different rights, but today you have a different. Why? Because your role has been changed. So when a user takes over the new role, need to update only his or her role assignment, not all her access rights. See, so this is very easier, like easier in management. So available in many commercial databases.